Why don't you just hold on?
Just want to go outside for a second.
Hi, honey. Yeah. All right. Let it go. Stop it so you can put it on. Let go. All right. Stick it on. There you go. He likes to spruce stuff. I think those are
We together?
yeah.
Okay.
I think we can meet there and shop together, and then I can run over to Target. I'm going to go to Toys R Us, actually. Put it on hard. You got to push it on there. Push it on. There you go. Where's your card? Open it up. There it is. Stick it on hard. There you go. And now stick that right in there. Okay. See? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Lefty Lucy. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Turn it around. You hold it. There you go. Oh, look what you just did. Look at that. Huh? You want to put it back in? Put it right here. Yep, put it right there. Good job, honey. And now we'll use this drill to put it back together. Or not. Put it in the hole. Put your screw in there. Yep, and then take this. There you go. Oh, nice. Look at that, huh? Test it. Does it come out? All right, let's do the other one. Put that one in there. Put that one in there. Yep. Take your drill. Okay, do it. No, you do it, not me, you. What? You want to take it out? Or you want to put it in? That's what this is for. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Whoop, there you go. Yeah? Okay, ready? Watch this. Alright, now you get it. It doesn't come out. How come it doesn't come out? Look, watch. Mommy will undo it. There you go. Now take it. Yeah! You want to put it back in? Put it back in. Yeah, in that hole. No. Oh. that thing there, that nut there. And take your drill and drill it. Yep, put it in the hole. Right there. Put that there, yep. And you drill it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to have you do it.